Excise officials in Rangareddy district conducted raids and seized hashish oil and banned cough syrup. Officials caught Shashank in the Sarurnagar area while he was selling 45 grams of hashish oil that he had allegedly brought from Guntur. The operation was carried out by Rangareddy Enforcement B Group CI Subhash Chandar and SI Nikhil along with their team. The accused and the seized hashish oil were handed over to the Sarurnagar excise station. In another case, officials seized 25 bottles of banned cough syrup. At a medical shop in Guramguda, Badanpet, authorities caught Sai Balaji selling cough syrup that was being misused as an intoxicant. After examination, Drug Control Officer Vivekananda Reddy confirmed the medicine as a prohibited drug. The accused was arrested and handed over to the Hayatnagar excise station.